I think Candy Cat is going to climb this tree again. She's thinking about it. This is a fantastic tree. She just learned that she can climb it a few days ago. Last summer, I think she did when she was still a kitten. She did a couple of times, but now she knows she's a big girl. It's easier. It's real noisy here. Even though where I'm at is tranquil, the corner traffic during the day is bad on the weekends. Because I'm in a tourist area here by the ocean. This is a very pretty coastal town, so it's good for a lot of tourists to come out here in Maine. And I'm less than a mile to the ocean harbor. So I'm right on the coastal route, so people come. But, you know, as soon as about 7 o'clock it dies and it's peaceful and quiet. Well, she didn't climb the tree. What's she gonna do? She's already tried to catch birds. Again, I'm here to save them if she ever gets one, but hopefully she doesn't get them very often. Because we like the birds. I don't want to scare them away. We had a little chat after she caught that one a few days ago. I told her no killing birds. They're our little friends. And she's going back by the tree. Oh, I think she's going to do it. She's thinking about it. Ooh, let's see. She did it! She did it on camera. Yay! Oh my goodness. Candy Cat is in the tree. Candy Cat! Candy Cat's in the tree. Look at what a big girl you are. She's gonna go higher. She's thinking about going higher. Oh boy. Oh, how high can she go? Oh my goodness, she's going way up there. What? She's never done this before. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's see if we can make sure you're not in the sun. Make sure we can get a photo of her without blinding sunshine. Let me see if I can get a better shot. Oh, I don't fall. Oh, where is she? Where is she? There she is. Oh. Candy Cat, way up high. You're so big. That's her tail end. Let's see if we can get her front end without me falling, because I'm not looking down. Candy Cat, look at you. You're so big. You're way up in the tree. You're so high. You're so much bigger than Mommy. Oh boy, this is going to be a very interesting summer. She's a grown girl now. Ferocious tiger. She's so big, she can do all kinds of things. She's getting real excited. She's going to see if she can go up the other side. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where is she? She's way up top. Oh my gosh.